Good morning. Today is Friday morning. It's 6:30 a.m. and the weather doesn't let me go. Okay, the weather in Rose Prairie is -2, feels like -6, partially cloudy. Wind 9 southwest, 9 kilometers per hour. Wind gust 15 kilometers per hour. Precipitation 10%. As you can see, the oil rig is here. It's not snowing. It's actually very clean. It's a bit windier than yesterday, but not too much. That's my house. You can see my entrance. This is my mobile home. And I'm 15 steps from my dwelling, and I should be less than 15 meters because I cannot step. So current local time here in Rose Prairie is 6:22, 26 January 2024, Friday morning. And on sunrisetime.com you can see my phone time and date and time. I'm going now on my Decibel X Pro dBA nose meter. I want to show that I'm measuring dBA, so I went to setting, and if I can make it focus, which I did previously, you can see that's frequency weighting. I'm filming a phone with another phone, so, and plus it's a bit dark. Frequency weighting is A. If I can get, I know there's a certain distance I can make it focus properly, or it needs more time. Oh yeah, frequency weighting, that is one click, is A. Frequency weighting is A. Yeah, it's taking some time. Okay, I'm gonna go back now. I'm not changing it, so I am pressing here, going back. So now I'm gonna measure for 1 minute.